In the last decade, artificial intelligence has transformed from a science fiction concept into an undeniable force driving the modern world. AI is evolving at an exponential rate, fueled by breakthroughs in machine learning, big data, and computational power. To put this into perspective, AI's market value is expected to skyrocket from $207 billion in 2023 to over $1.5 trillion by 2030. But with this rapid expansion comes a chilling reality: AI is no longer just a tool, it may soon become a silent threat to humanity. One of the most pressing concerns is job automation. Every day, AI systems are displacing traditional human roles. According to a McKinsey report, up to 375 million jobs could vanish by 2030 as a result of automation. These aren't just low-skilled jobs, either. AI is encroaching on professions once thought safe: doctors, lawyers, even creative fields like journalism. The rise of autonomous systems and AI-driven algorithms means entire industries could be restructured, leaving millions unemployed or underemployed. The economic gap between the tech elite and the rest of society grows wider by the minute, with AI silently reshaping the economy in ways that could lead to mass social unrest. Then there's the issue of AI and surveillance. The more intelligent machines become, the better they are at collecting and processing data. In 2022, it was revealed that over 90% of the world's data had been generated in just the past 2 years. This data, often harvested without consent, feeds into AI algorithms that power everything from personalized ads to government surveillance networks. Take China's social credit system as an example, where AI tracks citizens' activities and behaviors, assigning a score that affects everything from travel privileges to job opportunities. The days of privacy as we know it are numbered, as AI-driven surveillance threatens to turn our lives into an open book. But perhaps the most dangerous aspect of AI is its militarization. Autonomous weapons systems, capable of making life or death decisions without human intervention, are no longer theoretical. These killer robots are being developed at a frightening pace by major powers. According to the Stockholm International Peace Research Institute, nearly 50 countries are investing in autonomous military technologies. The ethical dilemma here is profound. When machines are allowed to decide who lives and who dies, the consequences could be catastrophic. Miscalculations, bias in AI algorithms, or even outright hacking could lead to unintended wars, or worse, genocide by machine. AI promises a future of technological marvels, but as its power grows, so too does the danger it poses to humanity. Left unchecked, it threatens to upend economies, dismantle privacy, and even rewrite the rules of warfare. Are we ready to face the consequences of this unstoppable rise? Or will AI, in the end, become humanity's greatest threat?